Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by preparing the phone so the assistant can run reliably. Sign into the Google account you want linked, enable microphone and location permissions, and update the Google app. Once done, make sure your device is on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and above 20% battery. Open the Google app and tap your profile photo. That's where Assistant Setup lives. You're starting actual configuration now. Don't skip permissions, because Assistant needs them to hear and respond correctly. Now you'll configure Assistant behavior and integrations. In Google App Settings, go to Google Assistant and choose Voice Match to teach the Assistant your voice. This unlocks hands-free access. Next, set language and personal results so it reads calendar and messages. Make sure lock screen access is enabled if you want replies without unlocking. Link services like calendar and music so Assistant can act on commands. This middle configuration ties permissions to functions, so actions like calling or playing music work when you ask. Finish by testing core commands. Say, "Hey Google, call Mom, what's my next event?" and play jazz. If Assistant fails, open Settings and confirm microphone, location, and notifications are granted. Revoke and re-grant those permissions if needed. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking responses. If problems persist, restart your phone or reinstall the Google app. That often clears cache or update issues. One quick tip: check Voice Match enrollment again. Redoing it fixes many recognition failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.